Hey, what's up, guys? It is Survivor back with another episode of Sons of the Forest. Last episode, we opened up the golden doors. Timmy ran down. I think that's the name of the guy, right? Timmy? Was it Timmy? He ran down, and God knows where he went. And we're going to be following suit to see where he went. Got gold crosses. I really don't know what to expect, and I'm nervous. I am beyond nervous. Okay, let's run a little bit. Whoa, why is that? Is that lava? Molten gold? What was that? That's why I just saw something crawl on the floor. That is molten lava, or molten gold. Whoa, they're just melting in there. The cross helps. We probably should have doubled. We probably should have gold. If this cross, that would have been so cool and nice looking. Oh! Back up! Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Ah, I just got hit. What a skank. Okay, you guys are just not caring towards the cross. Back up. I said back up. One down. Back up. Jeez. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Oh my god. So many of you guys, I can't do all the damage. I'm about to just wear my... Yeah, at this point, honestly, it'd probably be better to wear the armor, or the creepy armor, just because we're about to get so much right here, right now. Yeah, let's just wear creepy armor because we're about to get so much right here. And we get like what? We got one. Okay, that one's not bad. So we get 5 pieces of creepy armor here. That's pretty good. And we'll use the other armor for, I don't even know what we'll use it for. What happened, Jinx? That's my dog's name. He's here laying on my bed next to me watching me play. Kind of more of like I'm disturbing his sleep while he sleeps on my bed and I play next to my bed. Ah, just hit my hand. I think I grabbed them all right. Should have been all of them. So honestly, the cross did help a little bit, but it did not help a lot. I think the katana would have been a little bit better than dispatching all of those dudes. But I mean, it depends if I want the easy way or the hard way.
They're not like the others.
What does that mean? And you couldn't help me? You couldn't like shot them from the back? You just watched me struggle, you know, blessing them, exercising them. You just stood there.
So many bodies.
Ooh. Oh my goodness, I still remember last episode when I got jump scared by falling skeletons. So embarrassing. Oh, he's shooting him. Can I get your revolver, dude? Oh, that's my revolver, never mind. Down, boy. Down. Down, boy. Down. Down, boy. Ah! Oh, goodness. Start carving you up while our Timmy covers us a little bit at least. It's not good that they're giving us all this armor. Like, think about it. They're giving us stacks and stacks of armor right now. And anyone worth their salt in playing games knows exactly what they what's gonna happen if they start stacking us up with health items and like armor. Anyone and everyone knows what that means. And that's concerning me because I remember playing the first game and it wasn't exactly a similar situation. Kind of was actually, but either way, the first game had a little bit of a similar thing happening towards the end. How much armor we have? 8. Okay, so you could carve this. Ooh, goodness. Carve this dude. And then we're gonna start getting too slow. Okay, let's put on that last piece of creepy armor. Am I gonna burn trying to carve this dude? Please don't tell me I'm gonna burn. Okay, I won't burn much. Oh, dude's already shooting. Dang, dude. I'm following you, Timmy de Blanc. What? Down, boy. Down, boy. Into the lava. Come on, toast up in the lava. Toast up, toast up. Bird up. Alright, Timmy, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Timmy? Where'd you go? My goodness, what kind of cave is this? It's like a hell cave with all these demons. Oh, we're going left? Oh, we're going straight down, okay. I would have taken right. Ooh, what's that? My goodness. Gotta love the cross protecting me at all costs. Oh, he just ran down even more. That's the one thing about the game, like I don't want to say it's very satanic, but with all these crosses it would lead to something very different. Outstanding observation, dude. He didn't turn himself like everyone else did though. He was not the chosen one. But as I was saying, on this game I really wanted, it's not like very anti-religious because there's crosses everywhere. Granted there's some upside down crosses, but the only mention of God and such would be the cultists, the people in the white robes. Oh my god, white robes. And other than that, it's just a gory game. Because I will say I do have I wouldn't say I have an issue with playing games that kind of make religion put religion in a bad light in terms of like cultish stuff, but it's a little bit of a, you know, double-edged sword. Because I don't like to do that. I don't like to play games like that. But this game, like I said, it's not very... I mean, these are demons. Like, I'm pretty sure, I think that's what they're called in the wiki. And I'm here using a cross to kill them. So I imagine that's pretty holy right there now. Protecting myself with Christ of the cross. I said Christ, cross, I'm sorry. I'm full up on... creepy armor, right? Yes, I am. I don't think I carry more than 10. I think 10's the max. That. Oh, where'd you go, Timmy? Timmy? Timmy! Yeah, you see, like, these are good. I don't know how these guys are gold plated, honestly, so if it has something to do with it, then there's a gold plated cross. That's pretty. I mean, I don't know. What's a gold-plated cross do? Is that, I don't think there's anything bad with it. Is there? Jeez. Timmy, where'd you go? I don't know where you are right now. I'm about to be here all on my lonesome, fighting. I imagine he went down this way. It's the only way I saw. I see his blue flicker light there, but in between it are demons. Burn! Uh-oh. Oh! Jeez, I saw him last second. Where'd this one dude? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I was gonna say, these guys just disappeared. Burn! I mean, saying burn in hell is a good thing now. Or is it not? I'd say it is. Ugh. Timmy, you just left me there to die. Oh. There's more demonios, eh?
They just keep coming.
Yeah, they definitely do just keep coming. Oh my goodness! Please don't tell me he just ran up on— okay, he's still here, thankfully. I thought this dude just dipped on me. I want to kill them all because it's definitely— maybe I should whip out one of the guns. What's the gun I have the most ammo for? Oh, maybe I shouldn't because I don't know if there's gonna be a boss fight or anything. I'm about to tase these dudes. Where are you? Where's one? Where are you guys? This one? No, it's not one. Oh! Skank. Okay, tasing them is not the play. Back to the cross. Never mind, I didn't pick the cross up. Back to the cross. I'll protect you. Oh! Jeez. Mother! I'm getting stabbed here. Ooh, the crossbow. That's a good weapon. I don't see the— reload, 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 reload. Reload, reload, reload. Yeah, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Bam! Reload, 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 reload. Oh, there's more down there. Oh my goodness, there's another. Hold up, I gotta get my crossbow bolts, dude. Calm down, calm down. Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to pick these dudes up. We need 3 more pieces of creepy armor then. 2, 3. Oh goodness. Yeah, because I don't want to use my weapons too much because I don't know what type of thing we're going to be fighting here. Judging by the amount of demons we have here, we're probably fighting something of the level. Oh, just to fill in that, and then we need my combo boss. And there's one over here, I'm pretty sure that you are, buddy. Grab my cross out again, because the cross is doing work for us. Dog, your idea is better than mine. I really should have gold plated this cross. That would have looked so nice. I didn't see what— I see like 3 of them, 4 of them. Back up. Yep, there was 4. Okay, I know I saw 4. Oh, jeez. Okay. Can I not block with the cross? That's kind of counterintuitive for a cross. Should be able to block with the cross. I think so. Can I apply a thing armor? I can, perfect. Give me a second, Timmy. Got the armor up. With the skin of the fallen foes. What the— what? Whoa! I can't get up! I'm scared to check if even the cross even does anything. Okay, it's not doing anything up against that thing up there. Rifle. Reload. Oh, stink. Oh, I can't crawl in through here. Timmy, help me. Oh, goodness. I think it's stuck in there. Oh, never mind. I'm stuck. I gotta armor up. Jeez, dude. Oh, dude. I don't like using my good ammo for this dude. Reload faster. Can I even kill this dude? I missed. Damn it. Oh, I missed that too. Timmy! Timmy! You're just shooting into a rock! Oh my goodness. I tried to go through that little hole and I couldn't. Run, reload two. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's done. Oh my goodness. Can I carve you? Please tell me you give me like 4, because you took up so much of my armor, dude. How much armor do you give me? 5? Outstanding. You give me a decent amount. Okay. Not enough, though. I hope there's still some dudes over here to carve, but I doubt it. I think they despawn after if I go too far. Oh, goodness. That's not nice. Yeah, they despawn, of course. I gotta drink water. Are you good water? You are drinking water, perfect. Energy bar. Goodness gracious. How much ammo did we go? How much rifle ammo did we go through? Okay, we didn't go through so much. I think we had like 70-ish or 16-ish ammo. Jeez, dude, I didn't know that was there. I thought it was a cutscene monster too. I didn't know it was an actual monster. Continue on. Oh, here we go with the cultists. Oh my goodness. They're stalking us up again. I don't know for what though. This isn't good at all. Oh, I could have used Molotovs. I forgot about that. Why are they stalking us up here, dude? Is it because we killed that thing? They're like, oh, they need ammo? Oh, no. Complete the story with all friendly NPCs alive. Let's go! Wait, what?
It's time.
No, 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 no!
What the heck? How did they fall in through here?
15, 14, 13, 12, 12.
What the? Are we going to like an alternate universe or something? Whoa.
I've seen this before. I saw it in a dream. This was supposed to fix me. It's making me worse.
Oh my goodness. The What the heck is that? Oh my goodness. Does he die there? What is that?
What did you see? What did you see? What was in the cube? What was in the cube?
Oh my god. I guess we're fighting this dude, okay. I'm on rifle. Oh. Oh, did I not reload this gun or something? Oh, I just threw a helicopter at me. Oh, never mind, he didn't throw a helicopter. Run, 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 run. Why are you not running? Why are you running, dude? Uh-oh. Little baby wants this. I missed. Oh, there's twins too? No, 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 no. Oh, this is no wonder I couldn't aim. Oh! How am I getting hit? That thing was not near me. Was it near me? It didn't look like it was near me. Oh, I'm stuck here. I'm like stuck on like random. You're just throwing up babies? That's disgusting. Let's throw some sticky bombs at it then. Oh, he was about to drop something on me. He's about to. Yep. I saw it once I turned away. Goodness. Blow up. Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. Keep throwing, keep throwing. Oh, wow, you're lying. Okay, what else can we do? I don't have any more creepy armor? You're lying. I like how I'm like building this like right in front of this thing. What do I need? More coins, coins, coins. This is coins. I don't have any coins. There are coins. What else am I missing? A wire. What else am I missing? Watch. Outstanding, you know, the speed and safety I have making this in the middle of a fight. I need more stickies. Fire would be smart to make too as well, actually. Uh-oh. Run! Run! Molotov. Light this whore. Gotta light this whore on fire. That wasn't a hit. That wasn't a hit. That wasn't it. Run, 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 run. Run! Light this thing on fire. I don't know why I have to light each and every one. Like, obviously I want to throw it at it. Okay, it's on fire now. Sticky bombs. Oh, hi, dude. Oh my god, there's so many things. Run! Am I running? I don't know if I'm running. Uh oh. Oh, I thought I was gonna jump. Shotgun with slugs. Shotty with slugs is the best bet. How do I know if I switch to slugs or not? Set ammo to slug. Okay, perfect. Shoot! I'm out of stamina, no. Oh, goodness. Dude. Run, 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 run. Oh. Oh, he's still letting me do this.
Dad! You made it. You're okay. Oh god, they're coming. They're getting closer. We have to leave. Quick, get in. What is that? Don't go near it.
Don't go near. I want
Wants
to
you to
touch
stay.
it.
Don't listen to it. Come on, get back here.
I think I stay, dude. Decisive decisions.
Don't! You're on your own. Good luck.
So we definitely stay. We still haven't uncovered the mysteries of the island. Jeez, that was such a harsh battle. I think we could put the iron armor here. Now we gotta head towards wherever that is. I really wonder what would have happened if I would have left with them. I don't know what it means by it wanted me to stay. Obviously, I see the gold sparkling thing in the sky, I want to stay. But I also want to know what this thing does. Because it came out at that end, didn't it? Right? It did. Where is it? We're missing 6 out of 10 pieces, and I imagine the gold lightning in the sky is where I'm getting that last piece, so I need this piece to finish. And then from there, hopefully we could come back home, or go home. Does that mean I'm here by myself now? No, I see Kelvin on the map. Virginia's there as well, I think. Yeah, Virginia's there as well. I probably should have gone the... Yeah, I definitely should have gone the dang thing. Okay, let's go grab that, because I'm not trying to walk all the way home. I completely forgot that those things existed to use. Ah. Using these are probably the best bet. A turtle! Slam. Oh. I guess you made it alive. Cause he deserves to live if he survived. Oh no. Oh, I thought we were gonna lose the thing immediately just because we landed in a puddle of water. Okay, so let's reflect on everything we saw today. We went into the cave. We saw what I imagine was hell, because I mean all the lava, all the demons we saw in there, plus that big demon. I didn't expect that big demon. I somewhat expected. Well, I expected there was a boss, obviously, because I mean, kind of game stocks up that much and doesn't expect to give us a boss. I'd be a horrible gamer to not think otherwise. And so, where are we going? We're heading that way, okay. And so, as I was saying, obviously I expected something to happen, but I didn't expect two separate big bosses, and that first boss, or whatever that first dude was, definitely got me out of... Oh no. That first dude definitely was something I did not expect at once, or at all. The red demon looking dude, because I somewhat knew I knew there was going to be a boss on the beach, I knew that much, but I could have sworn there was more bosses. Like I really could have sworn there was supposed to be one in one of the bunkers. How far are we going for this? I don't know. Can I get out? I can. Still heading that way, okay. We're gonna go up the hill, I imagine, right? What's the best way up the hill? They both lead the same way, so we'll go up on this one. If we could find a night V, that would be amazing. I have not seen a single night V this whole game. And that's what bothers me. Because I definitely need a night V. How close are we? Oh, it's super close, okay. Come on, get in the... No, don't you dare. So we're gonna take a right here. Oh, jeez. Is this thing sparking where I have my post up? Never mind, it's not sparking there. It's sparking way closer. This is always here? Is this always here? I don't remember this. Okay, this game's loud. Let me lower it so you could hear me more. That thing is super loud. Even for me, I hear it. Okay, I lowered it so I could hear myself a little bit more. Can I not mind? Oh, I can't. You're trying to mine a body. Wow. Is this always here? I don't think this is always here. Oh my goodness. Let me get my flashlight out. Granted, I don't think there's anything in here that I won't be able to see. So I want to make sure. Oh, nice and dandy. I think that's the final piece, right? Should be. Let's craft this bad boy up. Beep, 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 boop, beep, 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 boop, beep, beep. Artifact. Equip. Reload. I'm putting self-light in this thing. That's pretty funny. Okay. Oh, toggle mode. Okay. Is there nothing that gives me an indication of what this thing does? Oh. Cause I didn't get an indication. No one told me nothing. It's not like there's a manual that comes with this bad boy. Is there? No. This looks like mineable sulfite, which we'll need tons of apparently if this thing is rocking off. Can I mine that? Uh oh, I heard screams upstairs. How much sulfite do I have? Because you can only carry 10, I think. Oh no, never mind, we can carry 20. Why did I think we could only carry 10? So at 16, 17, 18, 19. Aim. What? I'm confused. Ah, 20. Never mind. Okay. I actually don't know what this sulfite thing does. I'll figure it out when I get home. Because we gotta get home first. I don't want to be out here any longer than I have to be. Are they gonna come pick me back up though? Oh, they didn't forget me. I kind of exist. I think they forgot I existed in here. I want to say there's nothing out here to kill me. Uh-oh. Nice. Safe. So we gotta head home now. We must head home, head home. What's that one song from The Amazing World of Gumball that Darwin sings? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Something like that, right? I forgot. We forgot it. I forgot how it goes, but it's something like that. Let's head home. Okay. So the recap of, I mean, we did a recap of the day, but recap of everything. Why did we come here to the island again? To look for Virginia. And yeah, that's basically it. So we found Virginia. We found out that she is very indeed alive, but very indeed an alien or whatever, a mutant we want to call her. I'm not sure if we're being inclusive today or not. Anything else of note? There's that. There's what else? I think that's about it. That's why we came in for that, to see what happened to the Puffins. We found out what happened to the Puffins. They got touched by the gold stuff and got turned into demons, or whatever you want to call them, mutants. No, they got turned into mutants. Because the blind ones are the mutants. The demons are the ones we found that had like spikes for legs and stuff. This is we've never fully explored the island. Because we've only gone... I don't think we've really touched the top north part here. We'll figure it out. That's a glider. We don't need a glider. We need night bees, if anything. That's very unfortunate. It's very, very, very unfortunate. Everything that happened today. Uh-oh, I probably should be getting to high ground and not trying to do this type of stuff. If I get to high ground, then I could get home by just jumping. Here, I think it's that cliff over there that we could use to just jump. Oop. I just hit the dang wall. Sulfite stuff. Yeah, it's that cliff right there that we could take to just jump home, which I'll do for sure. Oh, I'm freezing. Oh no. That's not good. Maybe living up here would have been nicer for in terms of safety, but there's barely any trees here other than these. And okay, yeah, maybe not living up here. Living up here would not have been the best idea, I guess. I'm on my way. Oh wait, Virginia's behind us. Dang, poor Virginia. Pitch black in here. Oh, I was about to jump off here, thinking that's like a good way home. This looks like a cave jump. Perfect. Now we not teleport home, but now we glide home. Back to safety. Whoosh. I see home. I see home. Dive bomb. Home. Safe home. Let's feed the bunnies because they're probably starving in here. Can I not get the Can I not feed the bunnies? Oop, wrong one. Two. Grab you. Perfect. Okay. Home sweet home. After the dastardly dangerous adventure, we are back home, safe and sound. Let's sleep. Now let's save first, because that was a heck of a trip. Now let's sleep. Ah. First day home. Honestly, I'm not sure what to expect from here. Because we did our mission. We did it all. We got the artifact, which I still don't know what does. I don't know. Because it like bundles up and like changes shape. Let's look this up. It turns gold. How cool. Okay, so I found out what one of them does. Turns my walls into gold. Okay, we should definitely do that for the rest of the things. Gold armor. Or the gold plated building. That's cool. That's nice. Not sure exactly what it does for me, but it just looks nice and handy. I imagine it makes it more durable. Guess not. Well, anyways, I think that's a wonderful time to end off this episode, and I kind of want to say series because I don't know what else there is to be done after this. I mean, we got the artifact. We might do an auxiliary episode of exploring the rest of the island. 1 second. Where's the HUD display? No, gameplay. GUI off. So yeah, we completed our tasks. We got Virginia back, or she could have came home with them, but she decided to stay on the island with us. We're back here at home with our item, the artifact complete and intact. Have a wonderful home, wonderful weapons, and I want to say we survived the island. So that's one more mission, one more game done. And this is going to be Survivor signing off. Goodbye.